I have a lot of debt and I'm finally going to start doing something about it. I sold $600 of my Pokemon card collection to buy a $45 storage unit, and then I bought a storage unit to store everything in. Crazy. But there's a problem. I work Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Then I also have two under two, and I got 3 dogs and other responsibilities on top of everything. The goal is to not take anything away from my family while also paying off all this debt as fast as possible. The plan is to flip and try different side hustles until I can get out of debt. And every month will be a new challenge. And starting off with this, we got our first storage unit, and this is day one. My social anxiety is at an all-time high, and I don't think I can do this all in one trip. The plan is to get as much up on the first try, and we're going to need a second trip. I don't think those people are staring at me anymore, so that's good news. Let's go to the unit. And this is my storage unit. Now I need to figure out how to put this lock on that they gave me. Oh. I don't think it should be that hard. Now what do I do? How do I do this? I really need an adult. I am the adult. I did it. Oh. Wasn't kidding, we were filled. So we bought a 5x5 storage unit the other day for $45 after fees on the auction site. Oh, no way. Turned out to be $55. I don't think I can. I think I might have to do another trip. You gotta be kidding me. I'm more impressed by the car holding all of this. I bought this from a 5x5 unit. It took me probably about, I don't know, 30 minutes to clear out. Got my deposit back the same day, and I did it after work. Feeling more confident now. Oh, that's not good. Confidence as far as feeling more vulnerable, I guess. Maybe just talking to the camera. Oh, I've always talked to the camera. I think it's being out in public and talking to the camera. Look. All right. I think they're pretty occupied with themselves, so I don't need to particularly worry. Oh no, I did it again. I'm really not good at operating this thing.
It's a little bit of a pain. Sometimes it's easier backwards.
Ah, I will keep that in mind.
Yeah, they're a little rough.
Ooh, a throttle body. Do you guys flip things?
Yes.
Cool, how's that going? Okay. Social anxiety conquered. Big win. Great conversation with them. I'm not gonna say their names, but we'll talk more about what they said. Okay, so I had a nice conversation with the people who I thought would judge me. Turns out they are people who flip as well. And they've been doing this for, I guess they said 6 or 7 months. And so I asked them really what, that's a good idea. Really what would they give advice to for people kind of starting out? And I don't remember off the top of my head exactly what they said, but what I will do is review the footage and hope that this little microphone picked it up. You kind of have to be a people person if you're gonna flip things, because you're gonna have to talk to people, you're gonna have to deal with people. And honestly, a lot of people have a fear of diapers, of public speaking, and I get that. In fact, it's actually the #1 biggest fear in the world. Social anxiety is kind of like getting more numb, I guess. Oh, so much shit. Because it was nice to have a conversation with people who have been doing this. And yeah, I've done this before in the past, but not to this kind of scale. There's always nervousness and fear about things. If I had to say to anybody about chasing their dreams, is that life is way too short. And I've recently lost someone in my family who passed way too young, and I think that's more of a catalyst of why I want to do this, and why I am doing this, because we all have dreams and goals. We all have things that we want to accomplish in life, and because life is too short, it's not worth worrying about like what ifs and you know, stuff like that. I don't know, that didn't make any sense. Everything is loaded. That's coming home with me. But this is everything that we need to go through. All right, so we're gonna start off with getting this trash bag. Throw out any trash. If I could put myself in this bag, I would, since I am trash, but that's okay. I have to bring out the bag, so I'm kind of screwed on that one. Handy dandy gloves. I wonder if anybody's hearing me. Okay, so we're gonna go for tote number 1 here. Already looking off to a good start. We got math homework and Picassos. See, that's the cool thing about storage units is that you never know what you're gonna get. Maybe I'll hang these photos up along the storage unit. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know. All right, in the meantime, I got a cool little bag. I might use this. Cables are always good. Maybe. Is this a Windsor jacket? I think this could sell at the flea market. Maybe even $5. Well, this is fun. It's a really old hoodie. Donation. We are gonna donate, not garbage. Oh, we need another trash bag. And that is because there are some clothes that are trash and some clothes that we can donate. We're gonna leave the donate clothes outside of the trash bag so I don't get them confused. What is this? All right, that's trash. That's trash. Maybe? Yeah. See, some clothes, maybe like that one, I thought it was like underwear. Some clothes we can donate. Some clothes like this we could sell. So this could be like $1 maybe. That's underwear. Is this a cape? Oh, it's a pillowcase? Well, at least I know I could put a pillowcase on a pillow if I ever find a pillow, and then I could sleep in here. Trash. No, donate. That's a donate. This is trash. Could donate a hat. And these are all underwear. So nothing much in here except sadness. So now we have a pile for clothes to sell. That's one thing done. Ooh. Oh. I never heard of Iron Co. But I cannot believe. I don't know where I was going with that. All right, we got some notebooks. This might just be trash. Oh, this person was going to be a registered nurse. Oh, look, potential majors, financial advisor, public speaking, registered nurse. Go on tours. Hello, I'm still in here. Upon further review, I don't think I was in frame, and I can't see the camera because that light is in the way. So we'll see how this turns out. This looks just like garbage. We're gonna throw out this binder. What in the world is this? Oh, this was a job offer. I'm wasting time. Folder, garbage, notebook, keep, jackpot, trash bags, underwear, t-shirt, donation. I wonder how good I'll look in these. Probably sell those. Oh, it's the other half of those jeans. I don't feel like messing with that, so we're gonna donate that. Garbage. This looks like a fun shirt. This is a very fun shirt. It has some kanji on the front, but it has bleach. Nope. Yep, sure. Seems good enough. Disney baby. I have had no luck selling baby clothes at the flea market ever. Cool. Underwear. Bra. Glad I got gloves. We got some stinky socks. What's this? Is this even worth going through? Is the question. Busted phone. I think what I'm gonna do, this is a Banty. That'd be sick. What we're gonna do is donate all of this. This is gonna take forever. And it's getting late. It's more pajamas and stuff like that, which don't typically sell at the flea market. Like cool things like that jacket will, and I'm not too worried about it. Oh, this one's heavy. Has stuff in it. Cigar box. Maybe I could get it. No, it's all colored in. No, here. Ooh. Oh, this is worth looking at. Pink jeans. I would rock pink jeans like nobody's business. I think I'd wear them pretty good. What are you? Innospire Essence. We'll take a look at that later. Oh, there's a Tubi. I think this is a, yeah, that's what I thought. Yep, I have one of these. I don't know if I should keep that or not. Yeah, we'll keep this. It's a sweatshirt. It's a high school sweatshirt. So we'll put that in the tote of things to sell. There's a sock. Socks are always garbage. Never keep socks. Ooh, this might be good. Yeah, I would put it on, but I don't want to. Maybe that's the game plan. Don't take everything out and look. We got some heels. Helo. Now, Salt Rock. USB powered. It's kind of wild. I've never heard of a USB powered lamp ever before in my entire life, and I'm 31 years old. Band shirt. Squad goals. Oh, AirPods. Whoa, that's like 20 bucks. All right. So as I was saying before, make sure you go through all of this. If you don't believe me, let's do a rewind and see and make sure I'm correct. I don't know AirPods anymore. Well, there's a glue stick and some clothes. I don't think I need a glue stick. I think I'm gonna wrap up soon. But if there's anything that I can say, just go after whatever it is you want in your life. I said this a little bit earlier. Life is way too short, man. If you made it this far, I want to thank you so much. An apron. Does it have pockets? Yeah, this is a keeper for another endeavor. Because ultimately what I want to do is just get out of debt, man. I'm so tired of debt. Well, that's a keeper. Life is too short. And to be honest, like, it's not worth stressing. It's not worth, like, beating yourself up over. Because honestly, if you're stressing like about a job or something, it's just gonna pass. A dog toy. It's all gonna pass. We all have bad days. We all have good days. Ooh, I think donation goes in here. Donation bag. Ideally, man, like, I only get one shot at this. All right, we got a donation pile. Okay, made a ton of progress, believe it or not. We're just gonna throw this out. I forget what it's called, but it's for asthma, and I hope they're okay. If you're thinking about getting into flipping, don't be afraid to start dirty. Buy that $30 unit, go through it. You might get $100 worth, and just rinse and repeat, man. I'm all over the place. Let me know if I should keep the art, if we're gonna decorate this unit. Izod. Can you see these pants? I can't. Oh, wait, always check the pockets. You ever get like laundry and you forget that you put money in your pocket and all of a sudden you got like 20 bucks? Yeah, that can happen here. I touched their butt basically right there. Okay, nothing in these pockets, which reminds me I have to go through the other pockets, but that's okay. Pair of jeans. Whoa, big jeans. It's weird going through other people's stuff, but I own it. Probably sell these for $1. All right. I think this is Hello Kitty. I don't know. Kuromi and My Melody probably sell. So check the status. There's an AirTag with me. There's an AirTag at my house. Well, that's kind of scary. AirTag detected near you. I need to go.